If you are trying to build a project on Lovable but you're stuck on the free plan with only 5 credits a day, this video is for you. I'm going to show you a secret trick to unlock the full Pro plan with unlimited power completely for free. First, go to your dashboard and click on Upgrade to Pro. You'll see it usually costs $25 a month, but don't worry about that price. Click Subscribe to go to the checkout page. Important, make sure you select the monthly plan, not the annual one. Now, look for the Add Promotion Code button on the left side of the screen. Click that, and enter the special code I've put in the description below. This is a hidden developer code that most people don't know about. Watch the total price closely. Once I hit apply, boom, the $25 drops all the way down to $0. You're getting the full Pro membership absolutely free. No cost due today. You will just need to add your card details to verify you're a real person. But as you can see, no money is deducted. It is a 100% free trial. You can cancel anytime before the month ends if you want. This is a limited time offer, so if you type the code and it still says $25, the offer has expired. The link and code are in the description. Go build something awesome.